In a peaceful forest, everyone lived happily, unaware of the storm.
Yay! Today is a perfect
Chirpy,
day to collect
stay close.
seeds.
A big storm is coming. Chirpy, stay close. A big storm is coming.
Dark clouds swallowed the sky. Fear spread through the forest.
Children stand together.
I'll help everyone. I won't let fear win. Everyone, come to the great tree, quick! Together, flap with me. We're with you, Chirpy.
And with unity, the storm finally bowed. Even a kind heart can make the biggest change.
Together, we're stronger.